At first, it was a little bit nerve-wracking, but once you get into it, you realize it's what we do every day.
I really did like it. I definitely want to do it again.
Everything seemed really realistic.
Overall, my experience was challenging. I found where my weaknesses are, where my strengths are.
I humbled myself. I thought I knew a little more than I actually did. So now I'm able to grow with that and actually learn.
Competition was definitely a competition. I was really excited for it.
Yeah, it definitely helped me like figure out where I need to like focus more on.
It was definitely a good experience. It was eye-opening for sure.
It's nerve-wracking. Very, if you can say, like, you didn't know what to expect, how to do it, it's first time for everything, but it was an amazing experience.